Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. Today is Saturday. It's family day and we are here in, where are we?
Westfield.
Oh, look at the vlog. We're in Westfield and what are we doing today, Life?
Buy toys.
Yes, Mama's gonna buy Light a toy because Light's been a good boy. So basically, nung Thursday, nagpa-allergy test kami kasi parang merong symptoms si Light ng peanut allergy. And when we came to the doctor's office, nag-take sila ng bloods and Light was very brave. So that's why we are giving him a reward. We're gonna buy him a toy today. And then what else? Mama's gonna go to Boots. Mama's gonna buy eye drops kasi super dry na ng mata ko and some essentials like moisturizer and toner kasi paubos na. And then I'm going to attempt again to go to M&S para i-check out yung kanilang kids section na trousers kasi nag-fail tayo nung sa Oxford Street kasi wala palang kids section doon. Meron akong book na i-check out. Yung title niya is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, something like that. Pero uunahin muna natin ang toy nila. Are you excited? Yeah? All inside. And now the sky is open wide. It's Taylor. Yum. Because it's Saturday, ang daming tao. Ito yung parang SM nila dito. Are you ready? Shall we go? Yeah? Okay. Show me you're happy, B. Show me you're happy. Are you happy? Okay. Come on, let's go and buy your toy, okay? Ito kami usually bumibili ng toys ni Light kasi hindi ganun ka overpriced. Ito sa The Entertainer. Ayan. Which one? Where's the Kimai truck? Is it that one, the green one? How about this one? Oh, look at that. Oh, it's very big. May hinahanap kasi siya, guys. Sabi niya Kimai truck
daw. You wanna
daw.
see it here? Come here.
Hindi namin siya maintindihan. Carrier truck? What truck? Oh, you go and find what you want. Nakabili na si Light ng gusto niyang laruan. Ang napili niya ay train, of course. Kasi wala doon yung hinahanap niya. So now, we're just going to M&S. Can you show me? Show it to the vlog. Ayan. Dito na kami sa M&S, guys. Uy, mura lang ang t-shirt nila. I'm looking for the trousers na kids section na girls. 5 to 6. Parang gusto kong bilhan si Light. Maganda ang quality, guys, ng kanilang t-shirts. Bilhan ko si Light. 5 to 6. Kasi very summery yung vibes. Maganda. Ang gaganda ng display nila. Madidistract na naman tayo, guys. Hanapin muna natin ang hinahanap natin. Kita ko na yung hinahanap ko pero konti na lang yung display doon. Kasi yung gray na gusto ko sanang bilhin, wala sila. Mga small sizes na lang, like mga 5 to 6 years old. Yung size na napili ko is 11 to 12. Oh, come on, Light. Let's pay na, Light. Let's pay. Nakabayad na kami, guys. So now we're going to Boots. You want to go home? Can I please buy moisturizer first and then we can go home? Sobrang daming tao today, guys. Ayan. Light.
Pwede ka mag-wait na?
Asa? Pwede. Here sa Boots, guys. And I'm just looking for a toner. Naubusan na ako ng day moisturizer ko. Like, andito yung mga Korean nila na skincare. 15 pounds. Parang mas mahal ata siya. Kita ko na yung hinahanap ko. So, There's a lot of different eye drops here, pero ito ata ang previous na in-advise ng aking eye doctor. Soothing relief of persistent and severe dry eyes. Sobrang daming tao today, guys. So, bibilhin ko lang kung ano talaga yung kailangan kong bilhin kasi naghihintay si David and si Light sa akin. Light, what's that?
A big, massive pizza! Can I open the sauce?
Pizza, half Hawaiian and half French barbecue. And we also got some chicken and Domino's cookie.
Yeah!
Are you hungry? Open this one. This is the sauce for the chicken.
Yay!
Okay, that.
Oh.
That's you. This was Spider-Man.
Let's eat, guys.
I like this one.
Guys, tapos na akong kumain. Busog na ako. I feel better. Nung dumating kami galing sa Westfield, sobrang na gutom ako. Hindi kami kumain doon kasi before kami umalis sa bahay kanina, kumain na kami ng lunch. Pero maaga kami nag-lunch, kaya din maaga kami naggutom. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga nabili ko sa M&S. Ayan, let's do a mini M&S haul. So, ang main purpose ko talaga doon ay hanapin yung nakita ko sa TikTok na trousers. Pero, nung dumating ako doon, na-distract ako, guys. Dahil nasa kids section ako,
Natempt ako, syempre.
nabilhan sila ito. Kasi magaganda yung t-shirt nila doon, yung parang summer na mga t-shirt and shorts for the kids. Merong mga affordable na maganda ang quality. So, first is, ito, nabilhan namin siya ng bagong cap. Kasi yung cap ni Light maliliit na. Kasi yun yung mga cap niya nung nabili ko nung 2 years old pa ata siya or 3 years old. So, eto yung bago niya. Gusto na niya si Spider-Man. Nabili kong damit ni Light. Ayan. So, mag-start muna tayo sa t-shirt. So, ito yung first kong nabili. So cute. Ito yung 5 to 6 years old. Kasi magsi-6 na si Light this year. So, okay lang na medyo malaki. May allowance pa. Simple lang siya. Pero gusto ko yung color niya. Perfect for summer. Yung second t-shirt na nabili ko is ito din. Maganda din yung design. And then, $3.50 to each, guys. £3.50 each. Sa shorts naman, itong nabili ko, nag-size down ako sa shorts kasi yung shorts nila na 5 to 6, medyo malaki talaga kay Light. So, hindi niya masusuot agad this summer. So, this is 3 to 4 years na sizing kasi medyo malalaki yung sizing nila dito. So, ito naman is £4.50 to. Ito, super cute. Very summer. Tingnan nyo. Cute. So, ang naisip ko is pwede itong i-pair here. Diba? Super cute. And then, ito sila magka-pair din. Hindi to talaga sila pair, pero syempre, pinipair ko lang sila. Ayan. Affordable lang, pero maganda yung quality, guys. So, kaya napabili talaga ako. And of course, yung main purpose natin doon, pink na lang ang binili ko kasi meron na kasi akong white din na ganito. Tapos, yung palagi kong sinusuot na black is yung galing sa Uniqlo. Nagamit ko na, especially during the cold season. This is their 11 to 12 years old. Yung height ko kasi is 153. So, ito 152 centimeters. Sakto to sa akin. 10 pounds to, guys. Masayang kasi nung dumating ako doon, wala na yung gusto kong color, which is yung gray sana. Wala din silang bigger sizes. Mga small size na lang, like mga 6 to 7, mga ganun. So, feeling ko, syempre, dahil nag-viral siguro yung trousers na yon, kaya madaming bumili ng mga katulad kong maliliit. Gusto ko naman ng pink, so isukat natin siya kasi hindi ko sinukat doon. Guys, in fairness, maganda yung fit niya sa akin. 11 to 12 years old. So, ito siya. Tingnan niyo naman yung length. It's very sakto lang siya, guys. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Just enough to cover my heel. Perfect yung length niya. So, yun lang, guys, ang nabili ko sa M&S. Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is a Monday and actually wala ako sa trabaho today because I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Kahapon pa to sa trabaho. I was working long day yesterday And then, in the middle of my shift, parang nafe-feel ko na may something going on inside. So, I took paracetamol. I was hoping na hindi siya magpa-progress. Pero when I came home last night, ang sakit ng katawan ko. And also, I think there's really a virus going on in our house. Kasi si Light nung Saturday, nung pumunta kami sa Westfield, nung pauwi na kami, parang sabi niya, I'm not feeling well. Anyways, I was just literally chilling the whole day and medyo nabobored na ako. Alam mo yun kapag you're a working girl, you're a working person, parang sanay yung katawan mo na palagi kang nagtatrabaho. So kapag nasa bahay lang ako at walang ginagawa, yung parang
Ano bang gagawin ko? Yung parang ganun.
nanood na ako nung Chinese drama na gusto ko, yung Pursuit of Jade. Nakapanood na ako ng 2 episodes. Pero meron pang other episodes that I can watch later. Pero because we have some time today, I just thought, kasi sa mga vlogs ko sa TikTok and even here sa YouTube, madami sa inyo ang interested about Filipino nurse life here in the UK. So I thought about making a video, some practical tips if you're planning to move in the UK. Pag-usapan natin yan while I do my skincare. Kasi guys, sobrang dry ng skin ko lately dahil siguro din sa pag-change ng weather. Kasi dito currently, it's spring. 16, 17, 18 degrees, ganon. Tapos, in the last couple days, bigla na lang magda-drop ulit yung weather. Like, 2 degrees, 5 degrees. Ano ba? Winter na naman. Drastic yung changes of the weather recently. So, parang nakaka-affect din siya sa skin ko, yung biglang lumalamig. Tingnan niyo naman yung kamay ko, guys. That's the hand of a nurse. Mag-skincare muna tayo while I talk about this para naman hindi kayo mabored. So, mag-start muna tayo. Toner. This is the toner I use pala. And then, ito yung nabili kong pads sa Boots. Di ba ang laki? Pero gusto ko siya kasi covered yung mukha kong ganyan. So, yung mga practical tips na ibibigay ko is obviously coming from my own experience. If you have been following me here in this channel, first of all, thank you. I work here as a NICU nurse, and also you know that I shared in my previous vlog na I've been here for 9 years. So, magta-10 years na ako next year. Ayan na. Mag-start na tayo. I have my notes here, so I'll be looking at my phone every now and then. First tip is prepare for the weather. I didn't have much money to spend on clothes for the winter. Kasi dumating ako dito nung October 2017. And usually here, kapag Burr months na, doon na nagsastart mag-shift yung weather from sunny, summery weather to like papunta na siya ng fall, winter weather. So when I came here, medyo malamig na. You have to prepare for whichever season you're coming into. Pero since sanay na tayo sa tropical, summer, sunny weather, wag na nating pag-usapan yan kasi alam nyo na yan. So let's talk about winter season kasi ito yung something na hindi natin na-experience sa Pilipinas. Malamig talaga, guys. Yan ang number 1. Malamig talaga siya, yung lamig na nanunuot talaga sa balat at sa buto mo. May Uniqlo naman sa Pilipinas. I would advise to buy thermals from there kasi maganda yung quality. And dahil medyo mahal, kung nagtitipid kayo, just maybe buy 1 or 2, yung upper and lower na thermals. And then you can layer on. If you wanna buy a coat, you can buy 1. You don't have to buy a lot, okay? Kasi pagdating nyo dito, there's a lot of shops. Nung first time namin dumating dito, syempre sa Primark kami pupunta kasi sa Primark yung affordable na mga winter jackets and stuff. Next is UK SIM card. Mga pangalan ng mga networks here. O2, 3, Virgin Media. If I were to go back in time, siguro hindi 3 ang pipiliin ko kasi it seems like sa Central London, medyo mahina ang signal ng 3. Yung sa husband ko, O2 siya. Mas malakas yung signal niya palagi sa akin. So, buy a SIM card. Doon ako bumili sa airport ng SIM card. And it's really important kasi when I came here, mag-isa lang ako. Kasi most of the Filipinos ahead of me, isang group sila. So, you know, it's nice to have someone with you in the same journey. Kasi kung may problema man, at least hindi ka matatakot kasi may kasama ka. Pero ako, guys, mag-isa lang ako. I was really scared. That was the first time in my life na lumabas ako ng Pilipinas. And then, pagdating ko pa sa airport, hindi ko nakita yung tao na supposedly susundo sa akin. I was like panicking inside. So, pumunta ako dun sa parang information nila sa airport. And then, nagtanong ako kung meron ba silang SIM card because that's the only way that I can contact yung nasa... Binigyan kasi ako ng parang papel ng aking agency na ito yung mga person na pwede mong i-contact if ever, you know, magka-problema ka doon. Bumili ako ng SIM. And ayun na, so nakontak ko yung driver. Very important. I mean, may wifi naman sa airport, pero obviously, paglabas mo ng airport, wala ka ng form of communication. So, you really have to have a SIM card. Next is, mayroon ka ng internet, then you can download an app called City Mapper. Where ako, guys, is one of those people mga mahina talaga ako sa directions. So, yung City Mapper kasi is very user-friendly siya. Like, i-input mo lang yung destination na gusto mo and it will give you different routes like bus, train, car, taxi, ganon. Maganda yung public transportation nila pero since hindi tayo sanay sa underground trains, mga subways, they call it tube here, medyo ma-overwhelm ka at first. So kung may City Mapper ka, at least meron kang guide on how to use the public transportation. Then next guys is, let's talk about food. So nung dumating ako dito, obviously wala pa akong kaldero, wala pa akong rice cooker, wala akong anything. When I came, na-happy ako kasi may nakita akong McDonald's, yung familiar sa atin ng mga fast food chain, yung KFC. Tapos nalaman ko na lang na hindi same yung siniserve nila ng mga food. Alam mo yung sa atin, yung McDonald's natin and KFC, obviously, yung mga meals nila, meron talagang kasamang rice. Yun, rice with chicken. Pero dito guys, ang main carbs ng mga fast food chain is chips or french fries. Yun ang tawag nila ng french fries dito. They call it chips. So like, parang na-shock ako, hala, wala palang rice with chicken dito sa McDonald's. Tapos parang, alam mo yun, yung parang gutom ka na tapos wala pang rice. Pero I was so happy and grateful kasi meron na akong mga naunang friends dito that time na kasabayan ko ding mag-process ng mga documents when I was in the Philippines. Pinagsaing nila ako ng rice. I was so happy and grateful because literally, mamimiss niyo ang rice. Rice is life. I'm happy to let you know na meron pong Jollibee dito. Pero obviously, hindi ganun pareho yung timplan. Pero when you're starting out, pag nakabili na kayo ng rice cooker, madami namang dito, nagtitinda ng rice. Stores like Lidl, Tesco, Sainsbury's. Also, magdala kayo ng universal adapter kasi, di ba yung atin sa Pilipinas, yung mga charger natin, dalawa lang yung ngipin. Pero dito, ganito yung mga charger nila guys, 3. Kasi very important obviously yung phone mo for communication. So kapag nalubat ka, mahihirapan kang mag-charge kung wala kang adapter. So don't forget. Okay? So when I came here, I didn't have to pay for any visa. The agency paid for that with whatever arrangements they had with the employer. Pero guys, after 3 years of having a working visa, kailangan mo na siyang i-renew. Ikaw na ang magbabayad nun. 2020, nag-renew ako. And I think at that time, ang binayaran ko is 2,000 pounds. And bear in mind na yung visa fees nila guys, nag-i-increase siya halos every year. The advice is to save up for the visa fees kasi hindi siya subtle fee. So that will give you another 3 years. Kasi yung maximum nila dito na working visa is only about 5 to 6 years. After nyan, kailangan mo nang mag-decide kung mag-a-apply ka ba ng permanent residency or ILR. I applied for permanent residency after 5 years. Another payment na naman yon. And that time, I paid mga 2,500 pounds. And then, after being a permanent resident, nasa sayo na kung gusto mo bang mag-apply ng British citizenship. Here, the rule currently is, after a year of being a permanent resident here, pwede ka nang mag-apply for British citizenship. So that's another like 1,800 pounds. And this is the thing. Kapag meron kang dependent, katulad ko, meron akong husband and son here, same din ang nangyayari. So, kunyari, kung may dependent ka na asawa mo, ganun din siya, magbabayad din siya to extend his visa. So, that means if you're bringing 1, 2, or 3 dependents, it's going to triple your visa fees. Those are the things that you need to consider. Nag-apply lang pala ako ng yung nabili ko din sa Boots. Ito, Beauty of Giselle na Relief Sunrise Plus Probiotics. May SPF 50 na siya. Maglalagay na lang siguro ako ng mask. This one from Nombasen. Last na lang to guys. Ang last kong advice is build a support system early. May pagka-introvert ako. Siyempre, nahihiya ka pa kapag bago ka. Pero trust me, madaming Pinoy dito. And if you're coming in a big group, at least meron ka ng support system. Kasi guys, mahu-homesick talaga kayo, promise. Kung parang adrenaline mo, mataas pa in the first few weeks. Especially kapag first time mong mag-abroad, everything is so different. Everything is so exciting. Pero kapag humupa na yung adrenaline mo, doon na magsisink in sa'yo na hala, nasa ibang bansa na pala ako. Hala, iba na pala yung oras dito. While natutulog ako, sila lahat sa Pilipinas. Gising, while gising sila, tulog ako. Things like that. Magsisink in yan sa'yo na parang, hala, wala akong kasabay kumain. Hala, ang layo ko pala. You're pursuing something great for your career, for yourself, for your family. But then, at the cost of you missing them. you being so far away from home. So nakakatulong talaga nung meron kang support system, yung friends mo, kapag nagpe-prepare ka sa OSCE. Usually kasi, magpa-practice kayo niyan. So meron ka talagang mabibuild na mga friendships here, and it's so important. May lifting kasi to siya na properties, kaya ganyan siya. Ayan, mag-chin lift kayo. Kaya kailangan mo siya ilagay dyan sa my ears. Wait. I really hope guys na this video helped with your plans, your dreams, and if there's anything na gusto nyo i-clarify or meron kayong comment, suggestion, question, mag-comment lang kayo and I will try to get back to you guys. Just let this sit for at least an hour. See you in a bit. Super hydrated. And kita niyo ba yung parang may immediate lifting effect siyang ganyan? What are you doing?
I'm playing to make a bridge.
Dahil nga medyo may sakit yung mga tao dito sa bahay, nag-order na lang kami online ng grocery. Nilagay namin sa laundry basket kasi usually kapag dinideliver siya dito ng Sainsbury, hindi siya naka-plastic. Okay lang din naman to avoid using lots of plastic. Nag-order kami ng another 5 kg rice. Ayan, itong usually binibili namin. Nilagay ko na sa fridge yung whole milk. Bumili kami ng vegetables, spinach and beans. Ang plano namin tonight is magluto ng nilaga. 1 pack of potatoes. We have 3 chicken liver. Kasi nung isang araw, pumunta kami sa bahay ng friend ko. Nagluto siya ng chicken liver adobo. And namiss ko yun. So, bumili din ako chicken drumstick. And bumili din ako ng pork ribs. Tapos, bumili din kami ng pork shoulder. Baka nilagay na ni David sa fridge. Let me see. Half na lang yung natira kasi parang nagsistart na kasi si David magluto. Sobrang bilis ng araw guys. April na next week. Malinis naman yung hands ko. Para ma-store siya ng maayos, of course, kailangan mo siyang ilagay sa ganitong container. Yakult, kasi it's good for digestion. Gusto-gusto namin yan, of course. Spam, kasi kapag, baliktad. Spam, kasi kapag, alam mo yun, wala kaming idea on what to cook or kapag tinatamad ang mga tao, ito yung mabilis namin na prepare and gusto ng lahat. And also, bumili lang din ako ng tuna. Ito yung tuna chunks in sunflower oil. Ayan, Korean seaweed. Masarap siya guys, try nyo. Yung warm rice with tuna, with seaweed, and then lagyan ng konting soy sauce. Perfect. Eto, bumili ako ng bread kasi sa umaga, gusto ko yung may sinasawsaw ako sa kape ko. Banana, garlic. Akala ko actually, isang pack yung nabili ko. Half kilo siya. Malaki kasi siya. So, maybe tomorrow I'll cook it. Yun lang guys, ang ating grocery haul, mini grocery haul. Lagay ko lang to sa fridge. And magluluto na kami for dinner. And I'll see you guys in a bit.